Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Enable mobile data and confirm a stable signal, then connect the phone to the laptop with a known data-capable USB cable. On many phones, you must unlock the screen and allow USB tethering or enable the phone's hotspot over USB option. This exposes the mobile interface to the laptop. Make sure laptop drivers are ready. Windows may auto-install, Mac OS uses built-in networking, and Linux might need Modem Manager or Simple Network Manager settings enabled. Once connected, open your phone's network settings and activate USB tethering. This routes mobile data to the laptop. On Android, it's usually under Hotspot and Tethering. On iPhone, use Personal Hotspot and Tap Trust when prompted. Make sure the cable stays plugged and that you accept any device trust prompts. The laptop will detect a new Ethernet or mobile adapter. If using Windows, check network connections. On Mac OS, look in System Settings right arrow Network. On Linux, check nmcli or Network Manager for the new interface. You finish by verifying the connection. Open a browser and load a page, or run a quick speed test to ensure adequate bandwidth. If pages fail, make sure phone battery saver or carrier data limits aren't blocking tethering, and confirm the laptop's interface uses the new connection as default. If it still fails, restart both devices, try a different USB cable or port, and reinstall or update tethering drivers. This often resolves driver or permission issues and restores functional internet over USB.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.